The video reveals the Redmi 13C packaged in a fairly simple retail box. Inside, users will find familiar accessories such as charging cable, charger, user manual, and SIM ejector pin. In terms of specifications, the Redmi 13C features a 6.59-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with a refresh rate of up to 90 Hz. On the rear side, the Redmi 13C boasts of a triple camera system housed in separate circular modules. It includes a 50MP main sensor, accompanied by an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens and a 2MP depth sensor. For selfie shots, the phone features an 8MP front camera. Internally, Xiaomi's upcoming budget-friendly mobile utilizes the Helio G85 SoC paired with 8GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD card slot, and runs on Android 13 OS with MyY user interface. Lastly, the Redmi 13C is revealed to come with a 5000 mAh battery, with support for 18W fast charging via the USB-C port. Now, talking about the pricing, they vary in different ways. It could be due to the gigabytes, RAM, or market where you do the buying. 128GB. 4GB RAM, Amazon.com $115.00, Amazon.de Euro 113.9, 128GB 6GB RAM, Amazon.com $142.87, AliExpress $109.00 256GB 8GB RAM, Amazon.com $129.00, Amazon.ca $253.12,